Bricklaying is one of the most important skills in construction, and watching it done with precision can be very satisfying. Building a mini-house foundation is a great way to demonstrate these bricklaying techniques. Even though the structure is small, the construction process follows the same principles used in real buildings. The first step in mini-house foundation construction is choosing the right location. The ground must be flat and stable to support the structure. Builders begin by clearing the site of grass, stones, and debris. Cleaning the area helps create a smooth working surface. After preparing the site, the layout of the mini-house is marked. Measuring tools ensure that the layout is accurate. Strings and small stakes are used to outline the foundation area. Once the layout is complete, excavation begins. A shallow trench is dug along the marked outline. The trench will hold the foundation base. The bottom of the trench is leveled carefully. A compacted base improves the strength of the foundation. Gravel or crushed stone may be added for drainage. Builders prepare a cement mixture for the foundation base. Cement is mixed with sand, gravel, and water. The mixture should have a smooth consistency. The concrete mixture is poured into the trench. Builders spread the concrete evenly using tools. The surface is leveled carefully. This base layer forms the footing of the foundation. The concrete must be left to dry and harden. Once the base is ready, bricklaying begins. Bricklaying requires patience and attention to detail. Mortar is applied on the concrete base. The first brick is placed carefully on the mortar. The first row of bricks is very important. It determines the alignment of the entire structure. Builders use a level tool to keep the bricks straight. Each brick is pressed gently into the mortar. Excess mortar is removed using a trowel. Clean brickwork improves the final appearance. The next brick is placed beside.